The shortcut to create a new file or folder: Control plus Shift N, Control plus Alt N, Shift N, or Control N. And the answer of this question is Control plus Shift plus N. Question number 2. Here the question number 2 is computer refresh shortcut key is F4, F5, F6 or F7, and the answer is F5. F5 is used to refresh the computer screen. Question number 3. Which shortcut key is used for shut down or restart the computer? Shift, Alt F4, Control F4, Control Tab. Answer is Alt plus F4. It is used for shut down or restart the computer. Next question. What is the shortcut key to open run dialog box? Alt R, Window R, Shift plus R, and Control plus R, where the answer of this question is Window key plus R. Question number 5. Which key is used to rename a selected icon and a file or folder in Windows? F2, F4, F5, F8. And the answer of this question is F2. What is the shortcut key for help? F1, F2, F4, F5. Here the answer of this question is F1. Shift, Control, Alt are examples of which among the following category? Primary key, modifier keys, functional keys, alternate keys. Answer is modifier keys. Which key lets you exit the program when pushed? Return key, space bar key, escape key, arrow key. Answer is escape key. What is the use of shift plus delete operation? For backup, for temporary delete, for permanent delete, none of the above. Answer is for permanent delete. Which keys are either used alone or in combination with other keys to perform certain action? Typing, control, navigation, or last one is none of these. Here the answer of this question is navigation key. Which key helps to move end of the line? End, home, page up, page down. Which keys helps to move? That is end. To delete one character to the left, press dash, space, delete, backspace key, enter key. Which key? And the answer is yes, and the answer is backspace. Backspace used for delete one character to the left. Next question, question number 13. Which is used to delete one character to the right? Spacebar, delete key, backspace key, enter key. The answer of this question is delete key. It is used to delete one character to the right. Next, the question number 14. To open task manager, the shortcut keys is Control Escape, Control Shift Escape, Control Alt Escape, Alt plus Escape. Where the answer of this question is Control Shift Escape. To display the start menu, press Control plus S, Control plus Escape, Control plus Alt plus Escape, Alt plus S. Where the answer of this question is Control plus Escape. The shortcut key to open File Explorer is Window E, Window F, Window M, Window R, and the answer is Window plus E. Which shortcut key is used to display the desktop? Alt D, Control Alt D, Windows D. Where of this answer of this question is which shortcut key is used to display the desktop? Answer is Windows plus D. Which of the following key is used to display the properties dialog box? Alt Enter, Control Enter, Alt Control Enter, Windows plus Enter. But the answer of this question is Alt plus Enter. How to restore the minimized windows? Shift plus M, Window plus Shift plus M, Control plus Shift plus M, and all of this above. The answer of this question is that is used to store the minimized window is Window plus Shift plus M. It is used to minimize window. In Windows operating system, to display or hide the start menu, which type of key required? Windows key, Window plus C, Window plus D, Windows plus M. And here the answer of this question is Windows plus key, window key. Window key is required to display or hide the start menu. If like this video, please like and subscribe.